So the other day I made a video of my Scratch tutorial on how to make your sprite speak. So I decided to make this video because I wanted you guys to try out the actual tutorial what it was on. So I decided to make a blog post all about you sending me your Scratch work stuff of your sprite speaking, and I will make another video of just a big slideshow of all of your Scratch videos. So don't forget to go into Scratch, it's completely free to make yourself an account. So make it and then link your actual link to your Scratch showing you how in the message box that I've put on my blog post, and don't forget to check out my blog so you guys can actually send me yours. I'll link it in the description below. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this like task for you guys on Scratch, and I can't wait to see all of your designs and videos. Bye!